My name is Dasig Jomar and I'm going to recite the rights guaranteed during custodial investigation. RA 7438. Right to counsel. A person has a right to competent and independent counsel of their choice. If they cannot afford one, a lawyer must provide it. No custodial investigation shall proceed a counsel, without counsel. Right to right to be informed of rights. They, they must be informed of their rights in a language or dialect they understand at the time of arrest and before questioning. Right to remain silent. They cannot compel to testify against themselves or protection against self-incrimination. Right against torture, force, or violence. Use of threat, intimidation, coercion, violence to extract a test to extract a confession or information is illegal and inadmissible in court. Right to communication, right to confidential communication with counsel. Communication with the person and their lawyer must be private and confidential. Right to visit and confer privately. Of the following are the right to visit and confer privately with a person, any member of their immediate family, medical doctor, priest or minister chosen by them or their family. NGO representative and duly accredited by law. Right to notify family and relatives. A person has a right to have their family, relatives, and friends to notified with the situation immediately after arrest or detention. Right to free assistance. Indigent persons under custodial investigation must be provided free and competence legal assistance, usually by public attorney's office.